All you ever do is sweep. All you ever do is sweep anymore. You do. Sweepy grill. You're so sweepy grill. Always sweeping and sweeping, you do. See what it gives? I hear you. You see the phone and you said, no, I weren't. Is this going to be like last night when you said, better, I'm going to lay down? You started to, and you saw the camera, and then you was 12 minutes fighting you damn slumber. Silly goose. You're ridiculous as hell, you know that. You're ridiculous. Why? Because I touched my hair and you're like, I'm going to eat your hairs. Fucking weirdo. You're a fucking weirdo. You're a fucking weirdo anyway. My hair's crispy, crunchy, huh? Yuck. Nip, up, up, up. This is a pretty goose. Boop. Hit your beep. Boop. Hit your beep with my pants. Boop. You done career? Nope. Hers too sweepy to career. Silly goose-goose. Hers is this silly goose-goose. Hers is this my silly goose-goose. Yep. Goose-goose. Aww. You're so pretty and cute and beautiful, and I'm loving you. Pieces and bits. Pieces and bits. Pieces and bits. Okay. Hi, Bean. Beetle Bean. Boop. 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 Silly butt. Silly butt McGoose-goose. Oop, I'm about to drop my pen. There we are. Boop. And a boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. And a little duck too. Oh my. Boop. Where's the break, bro? Oh, hey.